and welcome to another edition of File Wanderer. I'm just here at Blackpool Airport. I've come to have a look tonight. I shan't be doing anything tomorrow, but I've come and got my selfie stick up and just having a look over that fence, look. And you can see that Catalina there. Just go around a little bit. Little aircraft there. And just, I don't know whether you can see, but there's all red arrows down there as well parked. Yeah, it's all right. They've been training tonight, a couple of teams. So yeah, it looks like it's going to be a good show. It really does. So, but I don't do big crowds. So that's me shot for that. So I just thought I'd come round tonight and just show you this, put a quick one on YouTube for you, and see what you think about it. Hiya. I've come round to Morrison's, and this is where red arrows are parked up, look. It's so windy tonight, it's just untrue. There we are, we can get right over, look. Yeah, they're all set for tomorrow, look. Yeah, looks like it's going to be a busy one. So yeah, there's fueling lorry in that here, I think. Is it? Yeah, tanker for aircraft. Well, it'll be for mixing the dyes for smoke. Yeah. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Oh, they're all here. All 9 of them. Yeah. It's all good fun, isn't it? There we go. There's security on and everything again tonight, so yeah. But they're on first tomorrow, and then I think, by the sound of it, they've got another show to go to. So they're on first tomorrow, and then on last on Sunday. So it's just Northwest Air Ambulance here, look. Yeah. All good fun. Right, well that's it now. This is just a quick one for tonight. I don't know how it's going to come out, I've no idea yet. But this is File Wanderer signing off, and we'll see you on the next one. So you know what to do, don't you? If you like it, give us a thumbs up. And please subscribe. I really need some subscribers. So thanks ever so much. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.